Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I am jumping on to do a quick Dollar Tree haul, and it's a craft related, some of the craft basics that I found at Dollar Tree. I normally don't have um, that luck where I find them while I'm there, and so I was excited to kind of pick up some of these basics. Here's the first one. This is neat. There's 6 of these. They're little chalkboard tags. So they're pretty thin. Pull it out so you can see. But it's a nice weight, and it has some nice string on them. And I thought those would be fun to decorate up for the holidays. And then I picked up some different gems and jewels. I thought that these flowers were pretty. I like the colors, and I could use those on some spine dangles. And then I picked up some packs of these sequins. I just thought these colors were gorgeous, and I have a few project ideas in mind on these, and I picked up 2 of these colors. I thought those were so pretty. And I picked up this little metal tin. I wanted to grab one. I have a couple ideas of some projects to do with that. And then I picked up 2 of these, the wooden boxes. And I have a little organization idea to do with those. And I picked up these sequin, this yarn, and I just thought it was really had a neat kind of vintagey vibe, and there's a hint of sequin. I don't know if you can see that, but I love these colors, this burgundy, and then this kind of teal color, and then this green color. So I have a journal idea I want to use on with those on. I have a journal idea I want to use those on. And then I thought this would be fun to play around with and do some mixed media on. And so I'm going to pick that up. So I have a project idea for that. I hadn't seen this notebook there before. It's an organizer notebook, but I just thought these would be fun pages. And I've already used some and to use in journals. It's kind of a different layout, and it came with 80 sheets. I hadn't seen these wood beads there before, and I'm wanting to do some children's inspired journals, so I thought these would be nice to have to use on the spine dangles and the primary colors there. And then I picked up a bunch of these jewel stickers. I was having trouble deciding which colors to get, so I picked up a few different colors. I like this gold. I thought these would be neat to kind of put on the edge of paper, like trim pages in a junk journal. And I really like these black ones a lot. I like the different shapes of them, the different patterns. And then I picked up these, I guess you'd call them silver or clear. And then I picked up a couple of these, and I've used one of them already. That's kind of a pinky lavender. And then they have these tags. They're little bitty tags. I just think they're so cute. And there were 30 of them, and they already have the strings on them. So I just picked those up. I thought those would be good to have. And then I picked up some of these gem border stickers. This blue is going along with my project idea for this. So I'm excited about that. And then these, I just thought these primary colors were pretty. Just to add, what I do is I snip off a couple and just to add them onto tags or clusters, different things like that. And I thought those might go nicely also with my children's journals that I'm working on. And then I hadn't seen these stencils before, and the butterfly one I thought was kind of fun, but I really like this one with all the different designs, and I liked how it was in a small print, and easy to kind of take on travel with me, and also it'd be great to use on tags, small tags, and like corners of pages for backgrounds and things like that. And I'd never seen this before either. They had this little cutting mat, and you can see it's 6 by 8, and this is perfect. I took this up when we went out to Seattle, and I thought that was great addition. And then the last thing I got is I've never have been able to find the rub-on transfers, and so they had quite a selection here. And the seashell one, I really like that. I have a project idea in mind for that. And then I know this is a spring one, but I just thought the images were really pretty. And these would be, again, you know, to put on backgrounds of pages or tags, things like that. The cactus, I just love cactus, and so I picked that one up. And then here's another rub-on. Again, I love the black and white, and I thought these would be cool on backgrounds. And then this one, I really love the script, and you know, the different fonts and the different type on that. So I was, you know, I've seen a lot of videos on craft supplies at Dollar Tree, and usually either I miss out, I guess they're sold out, or my Dollar Tree hadn't had them. So it was kind of cool that I came across these and found them, because these are definitely things that I will use. I try not to buy things that I don't think I'll use. I mean, we're all like that, right? So I've already started using some of these items, and so I'm looking forward to kind of sharing with you all when I use them, and how they turn out and things like that. So that's my quick little haul from Dollar Tree and the craft supplies. And let me know if you all buy any kind of craft supplies from Dollar Tree. Let me know what you all buy, and what you think of this haul. I would appreciate it. And I'll see you all on the next video. Remember to hit that like button. Bye.